Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to unhide a space on ClickUp. Maybe you want to restore the visibility of a previously hidden space to access the tasks and projects that are relevant once again. So today I'm going to show you how to unhide a space on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. Below the Spaces section, you can see this Hidden Spaces option. Simply tap on it. After that, you can now see all the spaces that you have previously hidden. Now, choose the space that you want to unhide. For example, I want to unhide this space. So simply tap on this icon at the right side to open the space. Once you have opened the space, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner. A new window will appear, and here, you can see all the space details. Now, since you want to unhide this space, simply tap on this Unhide Space option. After that, you know how successfully unhidden a space on ClickUp. It is now accessible and ready for you to work on. There you go. If you wanted to know how to unhide a space on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to unhide a space on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.